So hello everyone, this is Kiprotich from Pipsession FX, and today we are going to do market recap of what really happened in gold today in London session. We know that gold is one of those pairs. I know you've heard people saying that gold is a pair that gives you money very fast, and it also takes the money that it has given you plus your money very fast. So today we are going to discuss and see what is really happening in gold. I've been a trader for over 4 years now, and I have experience in the markets. I know what gold is really doing, and I know what the markets have been doing. I've really majored in gold because this thing moves so fast, gives out profit so fast, and at the same time it takes what you have very fast. I love fast picks because it pays you well in a very short span of time. Let's dive into it and see what gold has been doing. So we see that in the higher time frame. So I love doing my analysis from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. So we shall be starting with the weekly time frame. So when we come to the weekly time frame, we see we are seeing that gold has been bullish right from, we are seeing from this region right from in 2016. The gold has been bullish for all these years. So you have no reason to be shorting gold, and especially if you are a swing trader. If you are a swing trader, you should be holding your buys positions. So we are seeing that gold has been bullish, creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, high high. So essentially in the weekly time frame, gold has been bullish. So that's why you have to be careful. Your lower time frame trades should be in sync with the higher time frame trades. So after we have finished with the higher time frame, we shall be coming to the daily. So as we are seeing in the daily, we are also seeing that gold is creating high highs, higher lows, 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 a little correction, that is to sweep the liquidity, high highs, higher lows, high highs, that way until the position that we are in right now, and we are seeing that gold is bullish. Now we come to the 4-hour time frame. So have you seen, we want to focus on here because we know overall gold is bullish. So we want to focus right here, right here, right here. So in a few weeks this year, we've seen gold has been printing higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then there was a break of structure. Then there was a retest. There was a breakout and retest. So it was a retest of this low. This is where most of the people said support become resistance. So that is the thing. So support here became resistance. Then gold came all the way down and swept this liquidity. So this one was the position where price was gyrating to, sweeping liquidity to liquidity. As we know, trading generally is about price gyrating from one point of liquidity to the other point of liquidity. So it's essentially sweeping this point of liquidity, then it targets the other point of liquidity. So when this internal liquidity was swept, so sell side liquidity was swept. So we are now targeting the buy side liquidity. So then there was this high, then there was a little consolidation, this one building up. All this is liquidity consolidation until yesterday. Price took out all this liquidity here, then it's giving us higher prices right now. So we know it's now in a bullish trend. it's now in a bullish trend. So something interesting really happened yesterday, and we had this move right from here to, right from down here to there. So we saw this massive candles. I know some people, if they've read a candlestick Bible, so or if you have read Baby Pips, you know what this means. So it means it's a strong bull move. So when I saw this yesterday, so I caught some buys around somewhere here. I caught a little buys. So that was it. So let's not talk about that. We know price will be now gyrating from this low, now that it has swept all liquidity, to this point of liquidity where we have relatively equal highs. So this is the point of liquidity where price will be gyrating to. So when that was done, so we now came to the one. We now come to the 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we are going to mark out our key zones. So after this liquidity, now in the 1 hour, let's focus on this area. That's just this area. So we see generally it's now bullish. It's now bullish in 1 hour. That was before we took this trade. So we came to the 15 minutes time frame. So in the 15 minutes time frame, so we had that little consolidation sweep of liquidity, then push to the upside, push to the upside, push to the upside. So we are here now. So in the 15 minutes time frame, so we are going to discuss on this trade that we took. So we saw that price was delivering from here to here, creating high, high low, high, high low, high, high low, high. Then there was a sweep of liquidity. So we come to 5 minutes time frame. So in the morning, during the Asian session, we had this buy. We took this buy, and our analysis was on 1 minute time frame. The price was sweeping liquidity here and here, so and it delivered back to here. So we had around 70 pips. Yeah, to be exact, it was around 70 pips. So we took around 70 pips. So we took 70 pips. Then this setup came during the London session. So during the opening of the London. So now let's dissect this trade and see what really happened. So initially we had this move. And we know in 1 minute time frame, let's focus on this region. In this region where yesterday there was a move, and price delivered. I think it was during the New York session. So price delivered here. So we want to focus on here. So we had price. So we had price deliver from higher low, no, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So there was sweep of liquidity. Then high, higher low. Then there was a change of character. Then after the change of character, we had this price tapping the breaker. So when price tapped the breaker, it delivered all these pips so you could have targeted here, which gave you around 60 pips from here to here, around 60 pips, and it was a good trade. So, but we know as far as the price delivered here, we have this. So we take our Fibonacci, we measure this. So, and we know, so when price delivered here, we saw that this pullback never reached the 50% level of the Fibonacci. So this is our point of liquidity that price is going to target. So we have this because after this break, this one was never swept. So we have this point and this point. So we have 2 points where we shall be watching our prices. So prices will be delivering from these 2 points back to the point that will be the point of liquidity that will be there during this session. So it will be delivering from here to here. So this is the region where we shall be taking our profits. But before that, I want to give you, I'll tell you why I took out my positions here. So let's continue. So we had this move. So we know that this is our point of interest. So this is where we shall be looking for our prices. We want to see this low being taken out. So between any point between these two, we have this one and this one. But we shall be seeing when price takes out this, want to see a reaction. So then after that reaction, want to see a turtle soup. So if that reaction will happen, then we see a turtle soup, then it shall be a confirmation of the entry. So let's remove that. So we know we shall be targeting these points, this one and this one. Then we also have fair value gap. So down here we have this small fair value gap here. So we know this will be another thing that is supposed to hold the prices. So we drag this fair value gap. So all the bodies of the candles must close above this fair value gap for the trade to be valid. So let's come and see. So we drag this up to this point where we had our entry. So that's it, guys. So we have this point and this point. So we want to see price take out this, then come here. Then we shall watch what the price will be doing. So now let's come to this trade. The recording of this trade is in this video. So we shall be considering what the price will be, what price did at this region. So we had price tapping the first, then it gave us a good reaction. So this one was a good reaction. Honestly, it was a good reaction. So when I saw this push to the upside first, so I knew that this one is liquidity, this one is internal liquidity as of now, then this one is the external liquidity. So when this one was printing and it gave a good reaction, then I knew this is the point we shall be entering our trade, and we shall be targeting here. This will be our breaker, or so I normally love targeting the low hanging fruits. So this one was the position I'm supposed to float my positions. So we had price now delivering. So in 1 minute time frame we had this, then there was a sweep. So when I saw price was closing above, I saw this candle, the next candle, the other one. So this one was our point of entry. Yeah, as far as I was waiting for this, we entered here.
Yo, wake up at dawn, got my screen on blast. Candlesticks popping, charting the cash. Personal funds in the game, no cap, no lie. Risk it all, but my play stays sharp, multiply. S&P whispers, NASDAQ replies. Buy the dip, then I watch it rise. Bear, try to bite, but I flip the script. Bull market flex, got my grip on the chips. Paper chase, no time to fake. Limit orders set, gain a dime I waste. Portfolio fat, yeah, the grind's divine. Brother, I am winning every single line. Man, am winning. Stocks on a streak, Lambos in the future. Crypto at its peak, trading personal funds. No trust, no loans. We'll be rich forever, stacking what we own. Diamond hands, no paper, we don't fold. Fortune in the digits, glitching all the gold. I am winning, yeah, the vibes forever. We'll be rich forever. Smart moves, hella clever. Robin Hood glitching, but my balance don't lag. From penny stocks to eat, I'm a bag to flag. Day trade the rage, swing trade the calm. Algorithm grind, got got the code in my palm. Losses, just lessons, pay tuition, dues, profits. My addiction, yeah, I'm chasing the news. Tax write-offs, but the gain's still raw. Private jet dreams, FAA law. No more ramen nights, now it's shrimp and steak. From food stamps to an MX Black, no mistake. No boss in my ear, just a NASDAQ bell. Flipped a humble stack to a Citadel. Brother, I am winning. Stocks on a streak, Lambos in the future, crypto at its peak, trading personal funds, no trust, no loans. We'll be rich forever, stacking what we own. Diamond hands, no paper, we don't fold. Fortune in the digits, glitching all the gold. I am winning, yeah, the vibes forever. We'll be rich forever, smart moves, hella clever. Chart gang, we lit, never taking an L. Feds watching my trades, think I'm ringing a bell. Personal funds to a mansion, no middleman. Brother, I am winning, I'm the plan. Chart gang, we lit, never taking an L. Feds watching my trades, think I'm ringing a bell. Personal funds to a mansion, no middleman. Brother, I'm winning, I'm the plan.
Above, I saw this candle, the next candle, the other one. So this one was our point of entry. Yeah, as far as I was waiting for this, we entered here. So then price delivered. So after this, we saw price delivered in 1 minute time frame. Then there was this fair value, there was this imbalance. So price rebalanced, then it moved. So it delivered until our take profit was hit. So one thing that I want to tell you guys, trading is never an easy thing. It has never been an easy thing for me. It has been a journey, and I've struggled for three. Actually, I have been a trader for 4 years, so I've struggled for the better part of 2.5 years. Actually, yeah. So the rest of 1.5 years. So the 1 year, yeah, this last 1 year I've been profitable, comfortably. Trading has been paying my bills. I've been surviving through trading. But the last half a year before this 1 year, that was one thing that was tough. I used to make profits, then I returned back to the market, everything. Then before that, I was an academic writer, so I used to do a little academic writing. Then I'll take my trading, pay the rent. I'll take the money, pay the rent. Then I'll use the rest to buy food. Then the remaining I'll fund my trading accounts. So I have blown many accounts, to be honest. And I was telling myself, yeah, if I had money for mentorship, it would have been better. But things were tough on my side. And, we are never the same. Okay, our family, we had money that was just enough for our needs and everything, but it was not enough for me to pay for mentorship. And the ways on mentorships, prices are so high. So I struggled. I learned trading bit per bit for the last 3 years. And imagine you are waking up in the morning just learning trading. And I had some friends who could tell me trading is not going to pay you, bro. I've seen people so and so they are just making money through advertisement. But I used to believe in trading, and I believed in myself. So that's what I'm also telling you. So this is a trade, and it delivered, gave us 80 pips comfortably at the opening of the London session. And I'm happy about trading. I want to thank God. And if you are a trader, if you are struggling, or if you are a professional trader, it's okay. I want just a few people who will be with me, who will walk this journey with me, who will help me. I want to create a community. So if you are a trader and you feel like you want someone you can talk to, or if you are a beginner, so my handle is at Pipsession. This is my YouTube channel. So yeah, if you want to talk to me, just go through my X handle. You'll find my information there. Then you'll reach me out. I can talk. I can give you mentorship, of course at a small fee, but I'll give you mentorship, and that is it. And so we want to thank God for this. So that was it, guys. London session delivered. God paid the bills. Thank you. See you some other time. Until next time, be safe.